the one provider for all of your cell phone needs. I found it. Guys, let's talk about it. Introducing CircledIn, where you group together and save together. Save up to 50% on your cell phone bill and other subscriptions. So what is CircledIn exactly? CircledIn is a provider that offers top-tier cell phone service using postpaid accounts with no credit check. So how can CircledIn do this exactly? CircledIn LLC takes account ownership of postpaid plans of Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, and they also offer Cricket, Google Fi, and other streaming services. CircledIn even has their own dedicated reps for each of the carriers here. Later on in the video, I will be showing you my actual bill and my account where you can go ahead and manage your account information. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the cell phone plans that are currently offered. Now, I've actually been with CircledIn for several months, and I can honestly say they are great. All right, so starting off with the AT&T plans, and I'm going to go ahead and make myself a little bit smaller so you guys can actually see a little bit more of what's going on. Okay, so starting off with AT&T, they offer Unlimited Elite, Unlimited Starter. As you can see, here's what's included if the plan includes any hotspot data and anything else. You can also see the prices here. Now, these are just for one-line pricing. You can also go ahead and filter on the left-hand side here. You can sort by carrier. Right now, we're on AT&T, but you can sort by the starter plans, mid-tier, premium, and if you actually know the actual name of the plan, you can go ahead and select it right here. These are the same plans that are offered on the AT&T website at a greatly reduced price, as you can see. Now, we're going to go ahead and take a quick look at the T-Mobile plans here. So here's the T-Mobile plans. Same thing, guys. They've got the starter, the mid-tier, and then the highest network priority plans. Here's a quick look at the T-Mobile plans here that are offered. You can get plans here for as low as $30 a month, or as high as just $40 a month for a Magenta Max plan. And then you've got Verizon here, a 5G start plan for just $30 a month, or their highest tier 5G Get More plan for just $50 a month for one line. That's some significant savings right there. I will also briefly touch on the Cricket Wireless plans that are offered here. So these here are the same Cricket Wireless plans that are offered at cricketwireless.com. These are just at a reduced price because there's more people on the circle. The regular unlimited for $25 a month, or the unlimited with mobile hotspot for just $32 a month. Now we're going to go ahead and move into the facts and questions section here. So some of you might still be wondering, how exactly does this work? Well, right here. We connect individual subscribers to a family plan to maximize the savings. We are like the Uber pool for mobile plans. So how can CircledIn offer these plans at such low prices? Pricing is dynamic based on the amount of lines in an account. We maximize the family sizes to give you the cheapest rate available that is offered on any of the premium carriers in the United States, guaranteed. And of course, you can bring your own phone number with you, or you can get a new one if you so choose. And as I mentioned at the beginning, CircledIn does not run credit checks. There are taxes with some of these plans here. Each carrier has taxes and service fees associated with their plan. For T-Mobile Magenta and Magenta Max, the taxes are already included in the price. For Verizon and AT&T, you can expect to pay about $5 for taxes and service fees because it is a postpaid plan. Do they accept eSIM? Yes, they do. So you can either do the eSIM for faster activation, or they can send you a physical SIM card in the mail. So some of you might be asking, how does CircledIn make money? Well, they do charge a $5 subscription fee. And that right here allows us to keep the lights on and provide you support. So honestly, that only makes sense. Even with the $5 subscription fee, the prices still can't be beat. And here's another important thing that you're going to want to know. It is going to give you some additional peace of mind. Is CircledIn legal? Does it violate the terms and conditions of other services? CircledIn is a platform where we connect account owners and members to maximize their savings. Members join each circle in accordance with the terms and conditions of each service. Account owners and members agree to comply with the terms in order to share without breaking any terms and conditions in our trusted community. So that right there is some great peace of mind. I do want to mention for you Apple Watch lovers out there that yes, you can go ahead and bring your Apple Watch on the AT&T, Verizon, or the T-Mobile plans. For the most part, it does cost around $10 a month to go ahead and add the watch, and it does have the taxes and fees. But this is a great advantage that a lot of the prepaid carriers currently don't offer yet. All right, now I've promised to go ahead and show you guys my bill. All right, so my unlimited premium plan on AT&T from $11.14 to $12.13, $35 a month, 75 cents in taxes, $1.59 in service fees, $4.42 in surcharges. There is a 50-cent discount that month, as you can see. So this right here is just for my plan here. And then I do have the Apple Watch, the unlimited wearable, $10 a month here. With the taxes here, 75 cents in taxes, 60 cents in service fees, and $4.21 in service charges. That brings me to $56.82, which honestly is a fantastic deal. Now, we need to talk about the subscription fee. So like I said, there is a $5 fee, but to add wearables like the Apple Watch, there's a $3 fee on top of that. So that's why it says $8 here. So with the $56 plus $8, that comes to a grand total of $64.82 for a month of service for my iPhone with the Apple Watch. Now we're going to go ahead and dig into the account portal. All right, let's go ahead. Let's go into my profile. I'm currently signed in. So this is exactly what it looks like when you sign up here. So you do see your plan name and the price here. Now, like I said, I'm paying less because CircledIn has found a better deal for me. So if CircledIn finds a better deal for you, they will automatically drop your price for you. And as you can see, I have members here that are also on the plan, which makes it cheaper for me as well. If you have any issues here, you will see where it says, "Hi, need any help?" You can click on this and you can chat with someone. You can also book a dedicated appointment here, which is nice. So first off, you have to verify your profile, which I'll show you that very quickly. But you can go here and you can actually go ahead and schedule a phone call to address any questions or issues that you have. Really nice feature. You can also open a case online, and this is going to go ahead and you can go ahead and submit a request where if you have any issues, you can go ahead and chat with them here. You'll be chatting back and forth with like a help desk sort of thing. The personal information, that's where you can go ahead and update things like your mailing address, billing address, etc. Now the profile verification here, there is a process to go ahead and go through this, which basically that makes sure that everything is legit. As you can see, I'm verified. To get verified, there will be a process here you can go ahead and follow. And then for your payment here, you click on your payments, and they will have your payment methods added here. And you can go ahead and change that if you wish. So you do get charged the $5, and for me it's $8 because I have the Apple Watch here. So you get charged the $5 for the subscription, And then on another charge, you will get charged whatever your actual bill from the provider is. I must say that some people might not like this. If you're a person who likes to own your own account outright, this is not for you. What this is CircledIn connects you to family plans on postpaid accounts to share in on the savings. Also, if you're one who really doesn't care about having the highest network priority, you might not even want something like this. But for the price, you would be hard-pressed to find even the prepaid providers come close to this. I do want to mention with these plans here, if you go ahead and select a plan, it will basically tell you what the plan offers. Now this current plan here, this AT&T plan, offers no access to the My Portal AT&T app, but it does offer the access to book appointments with a customer success representative through CircledIn. Additional discounts you do get. Activation fee is waived with this particular plan here, so keep that in mind. Not all plans have the activation fee waived, so if you can go ahead and find one that has that, that'll save you money there. For this one, eSIM is allowed. You don't get any HBO Max perks, but you do get tablets and watches are allowed here. So just keep in mind, each plan that you pick is going to have slightly different options here, so you want to go ahead and select the one that makes the most sense for you. So does this sound like something that you're interested in? I am going to go ahead and offer you $5 off of your first month's bill. At checkout, enter the code EDDIE-9642. It will be on your screen as well as in the description and in a pinned comment. When you enter that promo code, you're going to go ahead and save $5 off of your first month's bill. And maybe you're in the market for a carrier that isn't listed here. I do have a video I do want you guys to check out where you can go ahead and give that carrier a try if this doesn't sound like it's going to be a good fit for you. So guys, I will see you over there.